Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first you should go to the Google folder and then launch the Google application right there on top here on this icon, and go into the settings. Here just click to the voice section and go to the voice match. And here, as can you see, we got the Hey Google switcher. Just to activate the Hey Google of Google Assistant, tap here once on the switcher. Here tap to more, click next. Yes, I agree. And again to continue. And as can you see, we just successfully activated our Hey Google feature on our Samsung Galaxy Tab. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.